you want. So first of all you have to go to truecaller.com. Now just search for the number. So now you just I will search my number. It's 9034160585. As I am from India, I will sign in with Facebook. As you can see, this mobile number shows the name Ankit Khatri. Now I will edit this name as I am the owner of this mobile number. So first of all, we have to go here. You have to go here, truecaller.com/profile. Now the name you enter here will appear there. You can write any name. It's like Kamal. As I have updated my profile, now if anyone search my mobile number, it will get Kamal Batra. You can see 9034. I will search this number. This number is shown by Kamal Batra. As you can see, this is Kamal Batra. I hope you enjoy my video. So you can subscribe to my channel for more technical tutorials.